Hello friends, we have just arrived here at the Vietnamese island of Phu Quoc, which is a island just south of the Vietnamese and Cambodian borders, and we will be staying at the Tien Tank Hotel. Hello.
Xin chào. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Do you have a reservation
Yes.
for 3 rooms?
Yes. May I have your passport?
Yes, Hello. There's a coffee table, fridge down there, nice big bed. Television. Some nice old-fashioned chairs, and we have the balcony with sea view. This is the other side of the hotel, or the behind side, and we just take a walk here down to the beach. On the left here, the building, this is the dining room. This is the hotel. And here we have the pool. And there's the entrance to the beach. After traveling for more than 2 hectic weeks, all around Vietnam, it seems that Phu Quoc Island is just the right thing that we need now, and that is to spend some time just to relax. The next day we walked around the town for a while and found this wonderful Vietnamese restaurant where we could order out a vegetarian lunch. Tomorrow we have signed up to do a boat ride that was suggested to us by the hotel staff, where we get to do an underwater ocean walk, do some swimming by coral reefs, visit the water park at Pineapple Island, and then return back on the 8-kilometer cable car ride that holds the Guinness World Record as the world's longest sea crossing cable car.
Very easy. Okay. You remember, she walk, go deep, only walk, sailing inside, no swimming. Okay, slowly walk, same inside. Okay, no swimming.
Okay.
Diver, say you okay. You okay, you say diver, okay, like this. Yes. If you want to go down, say down, diver to go down. Okay. You say no good. If you want to go up, you say up, diver to go up. Okay. Easy. Okay? Yeah.
Imelda, tagi shalom.
Shalom.
Sit down, sit down.
Susan, yan anak mo, yeah.
And the lady.
Susan takes you down to the boat by the river. Oh, it's okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Thank you.
Any pearl in this? Pearl?
Fresh.
Pearl.
No pearl.
Pearl.
No pearl.
No pearl, no. No pearl, no eat. Apa tu? Ha? Apa tu? we will be flying to Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon. This will be the last video from our trip to Vietnam, as we will be spending most of our time at Ho Chi Minh City doing last minute shopping. Hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you very much.
Nè Tim.
Nè nè nè.
Đây là bye.
Bye.